Scottish taste test, Savoury edition.
We're doing black pudding first.
Oh my god.
Just for you, Gary. I'll go 7.5.
A 6.
5. Five.
Going Agus. It's a tough one.
These are actually good.
That's good. That's a 9.
Wow.
Love Agus.
It's like 9.7.
Ooh.
Wow.
Really good.
9.2.
Oh.
I go 8.6.
I'm using my hands, I'm sorry.
From where?
I'll go 6.
Yeah, where is this from?
I don't know.
I don't want to know. Not bad. What did I give the first one? It's better than the first one. I'll go 7.
Not much going on. 6.5.
Try it.
Need some ketchup on here.
Yeah, 6. 6. Actually, a little bit more boring than I thought. I'll go 6 again.
It's delicious. It's like a 9.5. It's delicious.
Taste it.
That's pretty good.
1.5.
8.5. 7.2.
Potato spoon.
Cheers, guys.
Ew.
No, that's really good. Given that 9.3.
Yeah, I can try that. Alright, what are I gonna say?
You just gotta say cheers.
Oh. Cheers. I think it's 6.
I'm not a big whiskey guy, so 5.
Cheers.
Tastes like another one. 7.5.